Okay, greetings. Thank you all for joining. If you're here, it's a new week already. Let's see what the market holds for us for the week. And I'm happy to see you all here once again, all right? So, if you're also happy to be here, can I see some fire emoji in the comment section before we start looking for what the market will be giving to us today? If you are here, you can hear me. Can I see some fire emojis in the comment section before we continue? I'm only seeing one fire emoji here, which is great. One is enough. Thank you for the fire emoji. All right. So now let's continue. Today is Monday, so we are going to first of all check the daily time frame to see what the market is currently doing on the daily time frame. All right. So as you all can see, we had this heavy sideways move around here, but price finally took it out, right? Which gave us this resistance we are seeing here right now. So price took that resistance on up, finally broke it. Then what are we seeing here? A pullback right now, right? For a push up. That is what we are seeing here currently on US 30. Based on the daily time frame, daily time frame is telling us that we are going to be looking for buy on US 30 for the week unless the market decide to change plan and start dropping just like this. Right, but I'm not just seeing that to happen, but we cannot control the market. I cannot control what the market is doing. I can only do my analysis and see what the market will be giving to me. But other than that, I can't control what the market is doing. All right. So now, guys, so we have this H4 key level here, which is the H4 resistance on the. All right. So I'm going to have to drag it a little bit to this level. Um, Okay, so I'm going to drag it to this level and also clone this same level again. This same rectangle key level. Let me just call it a key level. I'm going to clone uh, sorry, not a key level. I'm going to clone this rectangle box here right now and bring it here. So why did I bring it here? We have a resistance around this level. Price broke it, pull back, turn it into a support. And right now it is still a support around this level. Now let me jump to the 1 hour time frame and see if we have anything important. Okay, guys, so this is the 1 hour time frame. So I'm going to have to reduce this thing a little bit and also reduce it here a little bit. I'm supposed to put this one here. Okay, guys, so we are just going to see what the market will be holding for us for the week, all right? Let's see this level here right now. Guys, I'm actually taking this key level from here, right? But I'm just trying to drag it back. Like I'm not just like I decide to drag it to the back, so it won't just be here just like this. So I'm just gonna put it here. That to also tell you that the market has been reacting at that same key level before now, right? So and on here right now, this is what I'm seeing here. I'm gonna okay now, yeah, that's what I'm seeing there. Let's say we have this 1 hour key level. Now, how did that key level come here? All right. So now, if you see from here, price drop to retest on this key level, then we'll have a higher high, a higher high, higher low, and we have a higher high. What are you expecting? A higher low, and boom. and price should start shooting to the upside. So I'm going to identify this level as the H1 POI, which is the level that the market is currently coming to retest or to respect. All right. Um, Now, if we are trading a break and retest, we should be paying attention to that level. Let me. We should be paying attention to that level. All right. I'm going to identify this one as a break and retest, but as the POI, sorry. But since we are not trading a break and retest, and even when we go to the 5 minute time frame right now, the move that the market have to move all the way from here to this level is not that big anymore. If not, I would have said, okay, we should be looking for a short to that level. Then we look for a buy from. But right now, well, the market is too tiny around that level. So I'm just going to have to reduce this key level and see what we'll be having to do, right? Let's go back to that 1 hour time frame. Now, if we use a Fibonacci from the swing low here, just like this to the swing high, you all can see that this is 0.5 the market is currently respecting, and also it may come to this 618 right here, right? So let me take that away and put this key level here. Now, just before we are almost done with the analysis, but just before I forget, I just want to remind you guys that you should understand that trading is just very, very simple, right? This strategy you most people are killing themselves on. The strategy is just 10% in this market, right? Trading should be very, very simple. You shouldn't strategy alone can't make you profitable, right? It can't get you to where you want to get to. So don't just rely on strategy alone, thinking strategy is the only way. Even when I was starting at my early stage, that was my thinking. I thought strategy is the only thing that will make me profitable. But at the end of the day, strategy is just 10% in this market. You feel me? So just make sure you don't just rely too much on system, on strategy. And when you have one strategy, you make sure you focus on it. You feel me? That's what you just have to do. Focus on one trading strategy, and yeah, focus on one trading strategy, one trading session, and you are good to go. One or two pair. If you cannot trade one pair, focus on one or two pair. There is money to be made in one instrument. Trust me, there is money to be made in one instrument. Now, why did I say so? The first week of this live trading session, right? We ended up the week with 5%. We ended up the week with 5% because it was 6%. Monday was successful, Tuesday successful, Wednesday successful. It was Thursday that gave us loss. Yeah. So we ended up the week with 5%. And this week that just passed, we ended up the week with 4%. And this week right now, I am praying we are ahead also. So this is 9% in total. You making 9% in 2 weeks. It's not even 2 weeks, like eight. Yeah, it's no that 8 trading days. Yes, making 8%. It's huge. All right. So there's money to be made in one strategy, and you cannot make all the money from the market. You feel me? So all you just have to do focus on one trading strategy, and you are good to go. You don't need the rest of the noise we are seeing online or all this fancy system we are seeing online. You don't just need them. All right. One system is enough for you. Um, Yeah, so guys, this is what I'll be expecting from the market today. I'm not seeing sale right now. The reason why I'm not seeing sale is because I'm not seeing any clean structure here for sale, right? If I should place this one here and say price should we should wait for price to break it above. Now this is the 1 hour PY, so I'm not going to be waiting for such thing. All right. So all we just have to do right now is to wait for price to take out the skill level above, and we look to buy. Right now, where is going to be our buy zone? This level here. Okay, buy zone. Yeah, that's going to be our buy zone. This key level of 49,720. That will be our buy zone. All right. So, guys, this is it. Let's see what price will be given to us today. I'm going to reduce my stop loss to, if I say 25, 25 will be too short. So, I'm going to be using a 40-point stop loss, and we'll be targeting a 1 to 2 today. Today is Monday, right? I just want you guys to know that today is Monday, and we just target a quick 1 to 2, and yeah, we are good. All right, so that's what I'm expecting from the market, and let's see how it goes, guys. I hope you guys are ready to make money today, to make money this week, even on the 15-minute time frame. If I should use a Fibonacci from the swing low here to the swing high, you see that price is just trying to respect that key level and start pushing up. This key level, that's zero point 0.5 price at currently, and this is zero point 0.6 golden level, 618 golden level, right? So let's see what price gives to us around it. Guys, like I said, this is what I am going to be expecting from the market. So when price get to that level, we make sure we long, right? When price get to that level, we make sure we long. So, and that is what I'm waiting for, guys. So in the next 9 minutes, we'll be making decision if we should be buying US 30 or we should be selling US 30. And also, if you have a question, you can ask. Then we can be wrapping the questions up before the 9:30 kind of, which is 3:30 p.m. in Nigeria. Here. Okay, guys. I guess this is service. Some of you are just joining, coming and going, coming and going. I guess that's service, all right? And I have been talking. We are done with the top down analysis and what we are expecting for the day. This is what we are expecting. We're expecting price to get to this key level of 49,720 so that we can execute our buy. And that's simple, right? That is what we are seeing here, and that is what we are expecting today from the market. Right. So this is it, guys. Just wait for price to get to that key level for this candlestick to push just like this, and we long. And that is what we're waiting for. Target a quick 1 to 2 for the week. All right. So in the next 5 minutes, we'll be making decision if we should be buying USRT or we should be selling USRT. Does this system work for swing trading, sir? No, it doesn't work for swing trading. It's just for scalping. It doesn't work. This is just scalping system, not for swing trading. For swing trading, you can only use the break and retest. You feel me? Like there are times where I'll be busy and I do not want to scalp. I will just have to swing trade. Do you understand? I'll just enter the trade from the 1 hour time frame, execute my trade, and hold for like 2 days or 3 days, sometimes a day. You feel me? Just depend on how the market moves. Right? Just depend on the volume on the market in the market that as of that. All right. So that's it, guys. If you have a question, you can keep asking. So in the next 4 minutes, we'll be making decision if we should be buying US30 or we should be selling US30. But from what I'm seeing here right now, I am just seeing buy at this key level. If I did not get to that key level, trust me, I will not be executing. I would have said, okay, let's look to buy around here. All right. That's just like me making impulsive decision, I guess. So I will not be executing today. I'll just wait for price to push all the way to that level. If there's really volume today, then we are going to buy USRT at that level, right? So that's where I'm expecting USRT to come to so I can execute my buy. Okay, so guys, in the next 1 minute and 6 seconds, we will be. Let's see what price will be given to us. All right, in the next 1 minute and 6 seconds, let's see what price will be given to us. All right, in the next 1 minute and 6 seconds. All right, so not up to 1 minute anymore. In the next 50 seconds, we will be making decision. All right, in the next 60 seconds, guys, just make sure you check your MetaTrader 5 or 4, anyone you're using, because there are times where the market will be. There are times where you see that MetaTrader 5 or 4 is gone up already and trading view is still down below. That is why I'm telling you guys I'm placing where you can buy from. So all you just have to do, place your buy limit around there, your stop loss, and you're good to go, and you take profit, all right, and you're good to go. right? So today we are just targeting a one to five because this today is Monday, right? We are targeting a one to five. So in the next 10 seconds, we'll be making decision, guys. No, we are not targeting one to. Okay, guys, we are targeting a one to two and not one to five, right? So it is time already. Let's see. As you guys can see, the new session indicator has opened already. Has identified the level as the New York session already. So anytime it start happening, you start seeing something like this green line. So let's see how price move today, right? Uh, so remember, guys, we are just like that, all right? So that's what I'm saying here. Let's see what happened today. And if the market is slow today, then we won't be executing any trade today. Yeah. Hello guys. I sorry I was logged out. I don't know what happened. I guess it's service. I don't know. Um, I hope you guys can see my screen now. If you can see my screen now, can you confirm in the comment section? If you can see my screen now, can you confirm in the comment section, please? If you can see my screen. So from what I'm seeing here today, the market is slow and it's not giving us that energy. You feel me? It is not giving us that energy today from what I am seeing here. All right, we should be expecting a very, very heavy push up to this level. Then it will execute us on buy, move to the upside, and keep moving. All right, but I'm not seeing that movement right now. So it seems the market is just going to be very slow. Okay, now you can see my screen. So it seems the market is just going to be very slow today. So guys, so this is it, right? This is the key level, a H1 PY, which is we are expecting price to come tap on this key level and start moving to the upside or move from there and start heading to the upside. But right now, price is not moving. We don't know. I guess the market will be slow today, right? That is what I'm saying here. Now, for you that ask of swing trading, right? If I want to swing trade, I'll just wait for price to get to this level. I'll wait for my confirmation, and after confirmation, I am going to write to the next key level here or here. Sometimes it will reach in a day, and sometimes it will not reach in a day. Sometimes it will reach the next day. You feel me? It will get my TP. Yeah, let me just put it like that. The next day. That's how it works. You feel me? So if you want to swing trade with this strategy, you can swing trade. If you want to day trade, you can day trade with the system. That is how this system work. And if you want to swing, you can swing. If you want to day trade, you day trade. If you want to scalp, then you can also scalp. Guys, the market is very, very slow today. You understand? It is New York session, and this is 4 minutes after the NYSE news release right now. But nothing is moving. You understand? Nothing is moving. The market is just too slow. Uh, okay. So today is Monday, no news today. And let's check the Dow Jones on CNBC and see if we have, let's see what the market is doing. So these are the 30 companies that come together to form US 30. As you guys can see, Dow 30 chart here, and you can see Dow 30, and this is Nasdaq, right? So now, US 30 is a 30 company that come together to form US 30, and these are the companies here. You feel me? So the companies are not just moving that clear today. I guess that is why the market is slow, kinda. Uh, yeah, that is why the market is kind of slow today. We are not seeing that setup. Maybe price is just trying to respect this H1 key level, which is the H1 POI, and start moving to the upside. Maybe that's what price is trying to do. We don't know, but there is no setup here today, no volatility for us today. So we are going to call it a day from here. We are going to call it a day from here, guys. We are going to call it a day from here, all right? We cannot force the market. It is what the market gives to us, we are going to take. You feel me? We cannot force anything. Just imagine, because I want us to trade and I want us to see set up. I just say, okay, and I want us to trade by force. So I want to take trade by force. I'll just say, okay, let's buy from here. Do you understand? It's just rubbish. So I would rather wait for the best position possible, then I execute my trade. And right now that the market is slow, we are not seeing any setup here today. So we're going to come back tomorrow, and we'll call it a day from here, guys. If you have any question, you can ask me on Telegram, right? So, and if you want to rewatch the live stream, then just click on the link I sent on Telegram. Then you can, and you will be redirected to watch the video. Other than that, guys, peace.